Hey, hello guys, welcome to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. So today we're inside of our assembly workshop and introducing about the supporting device of our rotary kilns. So as you can see, what it differs from the supporting device for the rotary drum dryers is this one is a lot more bigger. But as for the structures, it is similar to that of the rotary devices. So as you can see, this is the supporting rollers, and we have the forward shaft inside, and then there's the bearings, and outside this is the bearing housings, and then on the bottom you can see this is the base frame to hold these two in place, and then also for easier installations on site. These two are the thrust rollers to keep the rotary kilns in place so that it does not go up and it does not move down. And then as for this black trenches, this one is to collect the oils during operation so that the oil does not leak everywhere. Our supporting device features a long service time, and also it is more reliable. And thank you guys. I will introduce about our other products in our next video. Thank you guys.